Hi everybody, Coach Joanna here from the Beginners Bootcamp. Today we practice our harmonization in thirds and sixes. It takes a while, but you will get there. The first thing that we need to know is to have scale knowledge, alright? And I'm going to share a picture down below to remind us of our sharp and flat series. For the sharp series, remember this sentence. Go down and eat bread, Father Charles. Go has one sharp. Down has two sharps, and has three sharps, eat has four sharps, bread has five sharps, father has six sharps, and Charles has seven sharps. Okay, all of them have no accidentals except F sharp and C sharp. And how do we remember the order of the sharps in this series? Okay, so another sentence to remind us of this is Father Charles go down and eat bread. So when you see G, which has one sharp, you have the F sharp. When you have D, which has two sharps, you have F sharp and C sharp because it's Father Charles. Okay, so go down and, which has three sharps. It will be Father Charles go. So it will be F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And then eat, which has four sharps, will be Father Charles go down. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. And then finally, we're going to stop at bread, and that's going to have five sharps. So Father Charles go down and. So F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. So that's one way that we can develop our scale knowledge by knowing how many sharps and flats there are in each key and knowing what they are. Now we're going to move on to harmonization in thirds and sixes. And the important thing to remember is that melody is always king. So one common mistake that many of us make is that we tend to put the melody at the bottom. So for example, in playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, the melody goes like this. But sometimes we end up putting the melody at the bottom. This is a negative example. So it doesn't quite sound like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star because the melody is hidden in the bottom. Instead, what we want is something like this. Oops, sorry. What we want is something like this. And we can hear the song clearly because the melody is at the bottom. Here it is in sixes. So you see the melody is always on top. So remember, when you're harmonizing in thirds and sixes, always put the melody line on top and the harmonization a third or a sixth below. Okay, with the exception of the first note in which it is a perfect fourth below, everything else is third. So if we were to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star harmonization in thirds, the first line looks like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And in sixes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I hope that helps someone. God bless you and enjoy your day.